Hey lovelies, it's your girl Jody. Yeah, Jody from Jamaica. So we're going to do something to this hair because it cannot stay like this, alright? But we're going to be using this soft touch Aqua hair wax, and I'm going to show you what it did to my thinning edges, okay? Just a small amount, guys, just a small amount, okay? So guys, the difference with this hair wax compared to the one that I reviewed earlier in my channel, I'll attach a link to the right of your screen. The other one, it was matte. This one, it is very shiny, okay? It gives your hair a nice sheen, so you don't have to go in with any hairspray or anything, any kind of moisturizing agent or anything like that. This is shiny and nice, the healthy type of shine. Yeah. As you can see, we're going to be using some black eyeshadow because my edges are sparse and we want to fill it in a little bit. We don't want to overdo it. We just want to fill it in a little bit so it can look a little bit better, okay? So this is my little secret trick that I do whenever I want to like fill in the sparse edges. Okay, so right here we're just curving the edges, not really baby hair per se, you know what I'm saying? We just want to ensure that the edges, my face look more masculine, because you know we went in with the powder, so it has that little harsh kind of look. We don't want that. So I'm trying to ensure that my edges look feminine, like a girl's, like a lady's. So I'm just adding a little teeny bit right here, just using my fingers to just brush my natural baby ears down, you know, so it's not over the top, just pretty simple and easy, so don't worry. So I decided to add just one bundle to my hair. This is some Brazilian curly, kinky curly. And I just folded it in two, used the ends to wrap the hair around, and pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Nothing technical. It's so simple, so easy. But yeah, be right back. So at this point I realized that I added a little bit too much of the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, so I just used my wet wipes to just get rid of the excess, and we're good to go. Okay? Yeah guys, were you feeling this music? Yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share guys. Yeah.